Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to the channel. Today we're not talking about no workouts. We're just doing strictly an unboxing, all right? And this one is a little bit different, right? It's a special one for me because it's a friend of mine, right? Everybody, we used to do an unboxing for the big brands, but what about the small businesses, right? We got to show love to the local ones. So here I am, okay, in a priority mail, 2-day shipping, so he could get the product to you real quick, all right? 2-day shipping, and let's get it. And I'm gonna need some way off this is that. And I got my cousin in the background, Jen, aka Num Num. Come say hi, man. Come show face.
I look so crazy right now.
Can they see you?
Oh shit! Really? Can they?
I don't know, but anyways, don't mind the background noise from my cousin in the back, right? I'm using her room because it's like the perfect scenario for YouTube, right? All right, I'm trying to step my content game up, so I'm trying to do the most right now.
Rooms with aesthetics.
Facts.
Hey.
Let's get to it, all right? And this part right here gonna be limitless. Oh, there you go. Pretty quicker than I thought. Usually I'm clumsy with boxes, so it's taking forever. There you go. Alright, so once again, the package, nothing crazy, alright? Just a usual priority mail UPS box, alright? USPS service box, but I'm sure he'll have his own boxes soon, so let's get to it. And I'm already, they're looking nice. You know, me, I had to get the all black. And it's a perfect timing too, because winter season hitting, and he's back home in South Florida. He's like, yo, you gonna need that. So I'm like, yo, I definitely gonna need some more winter clothes, because I kind of run through them a lot. Like with me working out, a lot of times in the cold, I have my hoodies on me, so I'm sweating. So they stink like automatically, so gotta dish it out. But quick background on my friend, all right? Joshua Pierre, make sure you follow his IG. I'm gonna put his IG tag, his name, and also the apparel page, okay? So yeah, my boy, he's a entrepreneur, basketball coach, and yeah, like I said, man, I knew him since we met, when, 2007, and we've been cool ever since, man. And the kid's very driven, got his mind focused, all right, eyes on the prize, so let's make it happen, all right? And there we go. See right here, Pierre Dynasty, all right? Drum roll. Drum roll. All right. Yo, that would be the worst if I cut the thing on accident. I would cry. All right, let's get it. So this is the hoodie. All right, so it's a full jumpsuit. Okay, it's a full jumpsuit. I got the all black color with the Pierre Dynasty logo, and you're gonna like the logo, man. Very simple but pops. All right.
Okay.
So if we get right here. Oh, actually, yeah, this.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? It feels good.
That was like quality.
Yeah, I like it. Yes, sir. Nice feel to it. And it's a zip. Yo, listen.
Baby.
If you're going to give me some hoodies, make sure it has a zipper in it. You know what I'm saying?
Get push too?
Get push. There you go. Nice pockets. There you go. All right. Bet. Yes, sir. Let me put this on, man. Give you how to feel. Get it. Put this on. Ooh, that thing feel cozy now. And this right here is the large. I got a large, and it's, as you can see, pretty fitting. Fits well. Nice quality. Feels really good. Strings. And on the strings, nothing special. Just your regular strings. And kind of give you guys a little bit close up. Hopefully you guys can see. All right. It's a Pierre Dynasty.
Go back a little.
How's that? Good?
Yeah.
All right. His last name, Pierre Dynasty. And got the crown, the basketball on top of the crown. I like it, bro.
Baby.
You're a king, baby. Young kings. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. Let me zip it up, man. See, now, this one look right here. Now, this is a different look. Now, you like this. You feel me? See, nah, this is... I'm trying to give him looks. Look, that's why I like zip up hoodies. If a hoodie's got a zipper in it, I'm rocking with it. You know why? Because I could give you 2 different looks. Come on, baby. You got to switch it up.
Put the hood on for the people.
You know what I'm saying? Put the hood on. Hold on, let me put the hair down. You know what I'm saying? She gassing right now. She gassing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Nice fit. Cover right here, good. You know how some hoods, they be right here, you know, they don't do the job, but this one fits right over.
And you got mad hair too.
Mad hair, right? Comfy, look. I'm good. Let's go, baby. Now let's see the pants. Alright. Oh, yes, sir. Bro, Josh, I'm liking this, bro, for real, bro. I'm liking this. I might have to get a white. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, a white.
I might have to. On a snow day,
Okay.
I here looking like Frozen.
No Frozen.
Bet. Oh, yes, sir.
Oh.
Nice stretch. That's the main thing I always look for in joggers, right? Stretchable. Yo, I'll be back. I'm about to put these bad boys on. One. Oh, Jen.
They can still see you in the mirror.
Oh, they can. Oh, my. I'll be back.
Oh, shit. Now they can see me.
We go with the pants. Yo, it's a fit.
What the?
Yeah, it's a fit. Come on. Hold on. My boy did that. And the material, bro, it's like nice. It's like it's fitting, so but it's not tight. You know what I'm saying? Like you still have leg room. You know what I'm saying? It still feels good.
I like how it fits at the bottom.
Exactly. I like that cuff right here.
Yeah.
It's not dripping over. It just boom. That's it. Nice, bro. I like it. All right. Approved.
For the pockets.
How deep?
Yeah.
All right, let me see. It's good. Pocket depth. Pretty deep.
Okay.
Let's see.
I'd give you a phone to like do a phone check.
Right. Let's
Hold
boom. So I got a scissor in there.
Man, on iPhone Plus.
iPhone Plus. All right. The big boy. Now I already have a scissor in there, and I have my Invisalign. This is my direct club stuff in here. But let's see.
You're actually forcing it now, but.
I'm forcing it.
Oh, okay.
But look, still good. Nice.
You look a little crazy, but you know.
All right, let's stick it out, right? Just one phone. Nice. Good. Nice fit.
What the?
I gotta make sure it stays in there. But nah, definitely, bro. I would definitely advise you guys to get you one, all right? Definitely get you a pair. Show support, and trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Nice quality, nice feel. You could tell everything was like handcraft, like took your time with it.
Waist tie thing.
Waist tie.
Yeah.
Here.
Cause you know how Adidas be mad fucking aggy.
So,
like that shit stay coming out. This looks pretty sturdy.
Pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Good sturdy. Yeah, these things be the worst. If anybody knows when these either they come out or they go in, I don't know how people get them out. Like I never. If you know how to get these things out once they go in, please let me know because I don't.
Below.
Right, please comment below. All right, but no, definitely nice. Once again, Pierre Dynasty. It's a winter lineup. Perfect. Appreciate you guys for checking in. Once again, I'm gonna put the Pierre Dynasty Apparel IG on. Make sure you guys check it out. Put your orders in. All right, we out.
Support Black-owned businesses.
Facts. We out.
Stars shining bright.